There are 9 health benefits of blue turnip. First, antioxidant powerhouse can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall health. Second, skin and hair health. It helps slow down the skin aging process. Its ability to nourish hair follicles can promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. Third, improve digestion can help relax stomach and muscles. Fourth, blood pressure regulation, help reduce blood pressure. 5, weight management, aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism. 6, blood sugar control, help stabilize blood sugar level. 7, stress reduction, mental well-being calming stress reducing. 8, respiratory health, help alleviate respiratory issues and reduce lung irritation. 9, fighting diseases, fighting against HIV, cancer, and other diseases.